Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking all of the toys out of my boys' shared room. Their room has been looking like a disaster lately, even though I've been trying so hard to get them to work on learning how to clean up their room and put their toys away. They just have a really hard time with it, and I feel like it's just because there's too much in their room. Like there's just like it ends up like this. Part of it is Paisley's fault because, well, not her fault, but I'll bring her upstairs and I'll be like cleaning up or doing something in my room, and she'll come into the boys' room and she'll just get out all their toys and leave them all over the floor. It's not all her doing. The boys and Madison do come up here and play also. I don't know, I feel like it's just there's too much stuff for them to handle in their room, and I want their bedroom to be like a calm space where they can come and relax if they want to, lay on their bed, read at night, or just not a stressful, chaotic mess like it usually is. So yeah, I decided that maybe a good idea would be to not have toys in their bedroom anymore. I know some people do this. They just have a rule where there's no toys in the bedroom. The bedroom is a place for, sleeping and relaxing, and not really for playing and messes. And also, they don't really like to play in their room very often. They'll really only play up there if I'm up there. They won't just like come upstairs and just play by themselves. They like to be downstairs where I am. So yeah, I don't know, I just thought this would be a good idea to remove all of the toys from their room. My plan is to put them downstairs in the basement, where I already have a shelf that is like a toy library type of thing, where I bring up toys and then I bring down toys and switch them out and stuff like that. So yeah, I had just like a couple toys in their room, but over time with them bringing toys up from the basement, they got brought back up to their room. And yeah, this time I'm just going to be more serious about it, and there's going to be no toys allowed in the room. So yeah, I think it's going to be great. So the first step was just to take everything out of the room, and Noah is helping me. He has no qualms against having no toys in his room. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. He's like here, just like willingly taking stuff out of his room. So yeah, let's do this. So here is all of the stuff that I pulled out of their room. It's now in the hallway, and then after I put it all in the hallway, I had to bring it all downstairs and then down into the basement. But it was worth the effort to get all of this out. So I'm down in the basement right now, and this shelf right here has all their toys on it, and then all the ones that I brought down from their room. There are some things on this shelf that they have not asked for in a long time, like 6 months or more. Since whenever I made that video and I said I was doing a toy library and I put all the toys down here, there's a couple things that were never asked for, like this right here, and that, and something back there. So there's a couple things I'm going to take out and move them into the garage. But I'm going to go ahead and organize all of this stuff, try to fit it on this shelf. I don't know, I might need more toy storage down here, but we're gonna see what I can do. Okay, so time to go through the toys and decide what I'm gonna be keeping on this shelf and what I'm going to be moving into the garage. Those two toys you saw right there are ones that are gonna go into the garage. The garage is like my holding cell, kind of, for toys that they haven't been playing with, but I'm not quite ready to get rid of completely yet, just because I don't want to get rid of something and then have them ask me for it. So I put it in the garage. I would keep it there for a while until I'm like tired of it being in the garage and nobody's asked for it, nobody wants to play with it, and then we'll donate it. This is another thing that Noah hasn't been playing with very often at all. We've had this for a few years now. It was a gift, and it's like one of those take apart toys where you take it apart and you build it back together. I don't know. I'll put it in the garage. We'll see if he asks for it in the next 6 months or so. So yeah, I'm going through the toys. The ones that I'm taking out and putting them in the garage, those are going in that big black bag there on the left. And my biggest tip for when you're going through your kids' toys and deciding like what to keep and what to get rid of is to take your own feelings out of it. Because I know sometimes I'll grab a toy and I'll be like, oh, I wish they would play with this. I wish they would like this. I spent however much money on this and I really just want them to like it. Or like I want to keep like saving it forever in hopes that they're gonna like it or play with it or something. And sometimes they just don't like. Sometimes they're just not into whatever toys that I hoped that they would be into, or I don't know, things that I liked when I was a kid that I've gotten for them, like hoping that they would like it. They're just not into it. So yeah, I feel like the best way to do this is to just take your own feelings out of it and really just think about like, do your kids play with this? Do they like it? Have you seen them play with it? How long do they play with it for? Like, is it something that they play with for like 15 seconds and then they're done with it? Or, you know, is it something that can hold their attention for like 15 minutes or something like that, which is kind of a long time for a kid. And we can't feel bad about donating some toys that our kids never really liked, because some other kid will probably find it and get some use out of it, get some joy out of it, and it frees up room in our homes for things and toys that our kids actually like and use. So down in the basement, this is where the toy storage is now, and they do have some stuff in the playroom, a couple things, but most of their toys are down here. So all on this shelf. I did have to put one basket over there because I ran out of room. But I'll just show you what's on here, what I decided to keep. This is a little gem toy, like you break open the rocks and there's like gems inside. That's Noah's, pretty much all of Noah's toys. There's a puzzle, another puzzle, puzzles, play food cake set. These are little magnet blocks. This is a play food like drink mixer thing. We have some blocks. We have the Melissa and Doug pizza set. They love this. This is a marble run that Chase's, and he doesn't play with it too much. It's kind of hard for him to do, but sometimes he does randomly ask for it, so that's why I kept it here. Cash register, they play with that. This is all doctor stuff. This is Jenga, but the box got destroyed, like the little thing that you use to help you build the Jenga. So I just put them all in a container, and I was going to put these in the garage too, but I don't know, maybe one day we'll play Jenga or something. Peppa Pig house is back there, and then we have Paw Patrol, little Roblox toys. This is all tools, like, you know, pretend tools. Little coffee maker, big helicopter, which is annoying. I hate bulky big toys like this, but Noah does play with it sometimes. And back there is like a light projector thing with these little discs that you draw on, and you project your drawing onto the ceiling. Then we have a big basket of Hot Wheels and stuff like that. This is Magic Tracks. Just back up here. That doesn't go in there. And then this bin is all like doll stuff, like dolls and doll accessories, and I could probably put this in the garage because Paisley's, like, I'm saving it for Paisley, but she's not really quite there yet to play with this stuff, but Noah plays with it sometimes. Yeah, don't ask. He likes to, he watches some of my videos from my other channel where I was playing with dolls and stuff, and he likes to play with them too, so that's why I kept it here. And then this over here is just kind of like a junk toys basket. Just a bunch of random little things, some toy guns and a robot and, you know. But yeah, so that is our basement toy storage right now, and it feels really good to have all of this stuff out of their room. And whenever they want a toy, they can ask me for it. I'll come get it, and I'm gonna have them like give me something else to put back down here, because we can't just keep bringing stuff up and not putting anything back down. So hopefully this works well. So now I'm just going to be putting their room back together. Just, there's really no straightening up to be done in here. I don't really have to clean up anything. I just wanted to vacuum really well, and I did end up on a different day taking their sheets off and washing everything and putting them all back on, so their room was all like fresh and new.
Think about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting
So here I am finally hanging up some pictures that the boys had found on a walk. Someone was throwing them out. They had them a whole bunch of stuff out on the curb for garbage or for anyone to take, you know, if someone wanted to take something. And the boys found these pictures. They found 2 puppy pictures already in the frames and everything. And they found 2 pictures of wolves, which I'm not that crazy about the wolf ones, but the puppy ones I think are cute. But they wanted them in their room, and I was waiting until I painted their room to hang them up. So now that their room is all painted, I figured I'd go ahead and hang those pictures up for them. So this is what their room looks like now. I think it's so much better, so much more calm. Yeah, there's nothing really in here for them to make a mess with anymore. Have a bookshelf over here. I'm honestly not sure if they even need this in their room, but it holds books and I don't really have anywhere else to put it for right now, so I guess it's fine to stay here. Got their pictures up on the walls, the wolf pictures and the puppy pictures. Here's that one. It's puppies playing with a boot. And then this one over here is puppies and a garbage can and flowers. Yeah, Chase said he loved the pictures. Noah said he hates them, so I don't know. It's just the difficulty of sharing a room, I guess. But yeah, they don't even need this toy box in here anymore. It's completely empty. But they use it for or actually, sorry, it's not completely empty. It has this basket of, these are the only toys they have in their room. Just this basket of, what are these called? Fidget toys and stuff. I let them have those in their room. That will be easy enough for them to clean up if they throw them all around the room. They all go in one basket. But yeah, they don't even need this toy box in here anymore, but right now they use it for hide and seek and to climb on top of it to see out the window, so. And their closet is nice and empty now. It's just, I have some bins back here with clothes that they can grow into, mostly just Chase's old clothes that Noah can grow into. And then I have a bin full of shoes that Noah could grow into. And they also have this big thing of stuffed animals, so I guess they have those toys in here too. But everything else is gone, and it's very nice. We should have no more problems keeping their room clean. Paisley won't be able to come in here and like throw everything around and make a mess either, so yeah, I think it's really nice. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe found it motivating if you've been thinking about doing the same kind of thing in your home, just like taking all the toys out of the room. If you've been having a hard time with your kids' rooms being messy, especially now after Christmas that there's even more stuff, now's a good time to go through everything, get everything out of their room, and, you know, make their room like a nice calm place for them to sleep and not like a chaotic, stressful, messy environment that they can't handle because maybe they're too young to handle it yet. I don't know. I know some people are all into like really making their kids like handle their own room and clean up their own room and learn how to do it, and that's great, and I agree with that too. But I also think as kids, maybe they need a little bit less to handle. So what's in the boys' room right now is stuffed animals, books, and a bin of fidget toys. So I think that is manageable for them, and I feel really good about their room now. It's nice and clean. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all for my next video. Bye.